Hi fellow travelers! Now in this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of this. Yes! So we'll check out what's inside, what's included in the box, and talk about a little bit of its features. Alright, so let's do this. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary, and it's your travel angel, and I help fellow travelers overcome the difficulties of planning a trip by giving a list of things to do in a city. I also share my personal style here. Now today I am doing an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I am adding this to my travel equipment, and currently I actually have the GoPro Hero 8. This is actually the first time that I'm doing an unboxing, and I just thought, to try it out. So let's do this. Hirap niya. I guess we'll check out some of the upgrades that they did for the GoPro Hero 9. Madikit siya. It's like they don't want me to open it. Ayun. There you go. Let's check out what's inside, what's included in the box. It has the case. So let's try and open it up. Let's start with the camera. So this is the camera. So let's check out a little bit of the features. This GoPro, the GoPro Hero 9 Black, has a dual LCD. So it has an LCD right on the back and also in front. So basically when you're recording yourself, you can see yourself. There's also a microphone in front of the camera. It also offers a 20 megapixel photo. And then like the GoPro Hero 8, it has a time-lapse, slow-mo feature. The GoPro Hero 9, it offers 4K and 5K video. You can also do live streaming at 1080p with the GoPro Hero 9. Like the GoPro 8, the GoPro 9 has voice control. Then on the right side, ano ba ang right dito? It's on this one where it has the logo or the sign that says 9 Black. The right side, it has a design to drain water. So just in case pumasok yung tubig sa loob, you can drain it out. And then on the left side is where the door latch is. It's where you can put the SD card and the battery as well. Ano pa ba? Oh, it also has folding fingers. The speakers is behind it. Yun yung speaker niya. Now, let's check out what's inside the box. Of course, I forgot about that. So what's included in the box? There is a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. And for this one, when I bought it, it only has a 32. So yun. And then it has 2 batteries as well. Nice. When I bought the GoPro 8, it only has 1 battery included in the box. So I had to buy 2 more batteries plus this charger, this dual dock charger. Kasi it's faster that way, especially if I'm doing like a 3-day trip to maybe New York, Washington, D.C. and all that, if I need to charge it. So mas mabilis if I have this. And then ano pa ba yung included here? So you have this cable right here and other accessories, this extra screw, and then it should have a tripod. Maybe it's under here. Oh yeah, it is. So this is the tripod or handle, same as this one, or what you call shorty. So there, nice. Now I actually did my research about, the difference between the GoPro 8 and the GoPro 9. And here's what I found. I'm not gonna go into detail about the more technical stuff. So I'm gonna share with you what I know. All right, starting off with the LCD screen. So for the GoPro Hero 9, like I said, it has dual LCD. It has a front-facing camera. So when I'm recording myself, basically I can see it if the frame is bright. More often than not, when I'm using the GoPro 8, when I'm recording myself, usually the video will start from my nose all the way to this area right here. So wala ako dun, my face is not in the middle of the frame. That's what happens with the GoPro 8. Now I can actually control the video and see what's happening and what I'm recording. So, yun, which is nice. And the front-facing camera, I believe, appeals to a lot of vloggers like myself, which is awesome. And that's one of the features I love about the GoPro 9. What else? So I told you about the resolution, the video. It offers 4K, so up to 5K 30. Now, the GoPro 8 has the maximum resolution for the video is 4K 60. And also the GoPro 9, for the photos, it has 20 megapixels. So, which is awesome. And then, ano pa ba? Oh, the lens of the GoPro 9 is removable. Sa GoPro 8, you can't remove it. What else? Meron ba dito? It's also touchscreen. They're the same. And then, I guess yung size nila. So, the screen of the GoPro 9 is bigger. It's also, the LCD is also bright and the image is sharper as well. And speaking of size, the GoPro 9 is slightly larger. This is a media mod, so I should take it out para makita nyo. So, the camera, the GoPro, teka lang, dito natin lagay, baka malaglag. So the GoPro 9, the camera is larger than the GoPro 8. So yeah, I can really tell and see the difference. And then speaking of size, let's check out the battery. Yung battery naman. This is for the GoPro 8 and this is the GoPro 9. Oh yeah, you can tell. The battery of the GoPro 9 is bigger than the GoPro 8. I love that when you shoot videos for the GoPro 8, the video is stable, but the GoPro 9 has a smoother video stabilization. That's what I love. I hate it when the video is shaky. Like, I get so frustrated. So yeah, this one, I think I'm gonna love it. GoPro 9 is waterproof and it's up to 33 feet. Pretty cool.
In my honest opinion, the GoPro 9 is worth investing in to level up your travel videos. And I'm also keeping my GoPro Hero 8 Black because I've invested so much on it, especially the accessories.
So there you go. Wala na akong maisip. That's all I know about the differences of these two cameras. But if you want to add anything, maybe you want to add anything about the GoPro 9 or the GoPro 8 or both, hey, let me know in the comment box below. And also, if you're new here, consider subscribing and click the bell to get new video updates. Let's connect on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary, or subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com. Remember, continue to spread positivity, and I'll see you next time. Now, here's what's next on the vlog.
So it's day 3 of our trip here in New York City. Alright, so we're here at the American Museum of Natural History, but there's a long line outside. We're here at the Grand Central Terminal. Alright, so we're still here in Acadia and umuulan. So I guess we're here at the summit, but there's nothing to see. We can't see anything. You can't see what's out there. Grabe yung hangin. So you're really gonna do a lot of hiking here. I highly recommend that you buy hiking shoes.
And I just want to give you a quick tour of our room before we go to sleep.
For the past 2 days, it's been raining. Now we got some sunshine.